Southern California courthouses whose operations were drastically curtailed in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic are gearing up for a reawakening, but justice will look much different as judges work to balance health concerns and constitutional rights. Smaller jury pools, remote proceedings, video-streamed hearings and few court visitors will mark the new courthouse reality, as the days of bustling hallways and elevators packed with attorneys, jurors, witnesses, law enforcement officials and victims fade away for the foreseeable future. In the face of stay-at-home orders, local courts have halted ongoing jury trials, extended deadlines for pending criminal trials, halted progress on most civil cases and largely focused on emergency and time-sensitive hearings. For those hearings, the courts, traditionally resistant to change, have been forced to rely on technology for social distancing. What's happened is the courts have been forced to do something they otherwise would not have done, said Jeremy Fogel, a former federal judge and current executive director of the Berkeley Judicial Institute. It's not as bad as we thought it would be. Within each local superior court system, the various stakeholders, including judicial officials, prosecutors and public defenders, are busy crafting their plans for reopening. Some are expected to move faster than others, with the Orange County Superior Court announcing a soft reopening for this week, including resuming criminal trials put on pause by the earlier closure. Courthouses in Los Angeles County and the Inland Empire are expected to begin ramping up their operations by mid-June. All are expecting a gradual return of services. Awaiting them will be a backlog of cases built up during the closures, though prosecutors are hoping to draw down some of that workload by settling criminal cases before they go to trial. My direction is this: try to reach out and settle, reach dispositions on everything you possibly can, give the best offer based on the circumstances we are in without doing an injustice and letting someone off too light, Los Angeles County District Attorney Jackie Lacey said. For civil cases, nearly all hearings will likely be heard remotely, including family law and probate cases. And those dealing with relatively minor issues such as traffic citations will be urged to go to court websites rather than travel to courthouses. If they have the ability to handle their matter remotely, I would encourage them to do that rather than come in, said Jeff Wertheimer, General Counsel for the Orange County Superior Court System. If everybody in the civil and traffic world feel they need to come in to be heard, it is going to create problems. The biggest change will likely be jury service, with jury rooms holding hundreds of prospective jurors and cramped jury boxes in court trials no longer possible.